Hello and welcome back. On the home page, click Presentation, then click Create Blank. Now click here on Canva Assistant and click Magic Design. Describe the topic of your presentation. For example, I'm entering create a presentation about how GPT helps students learn and click Enter. Now we can select design here. We see how it looks. Then click Create My Presentation. We can adjust it, change photos or position. And when it suits us, we can present it here on the top, or we can click Share button and share it. Anyone with the link can view and click Copy Link. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and see you next time.